Ruh-roh. Or... Ian. Fuck, just hide. You guys locked the door. Guys locked the door. I'm gonna hide in here. Ah. I'm taking the dummy out. I need to, computer opener the gym. Oh yeah, I could have just worked out all night. Do it right now. Put it on his. Oh, whatever, it's too late. Agree and giraffe. Oh my god, I can frame giraffe. Wait, hold on. I might do that. I'm totally gonna do that. Screwdriver. Imagine they suck. Yeah, we have a screwdriver. Now we need duct tape and a poster. What does a super glue do? I have $1. I'm the plug. I don't want to do any officer stuff. Damn, dude, they all want a fucking stepladder. Wait, hold on. I just... Oh. Chad, I got it. We got the magazine and the fucking grabbing all the plastic knives. I'll never be without a plastic. Okay, now I'm gonna hide my screwdriver because I spent a lot of fucking money on it. I need to do a lot of these ones. Get Duggery's teddy bear from Ace. Oh, dude, I just... No, I put it in the... What? No! Fuck! Are you kidding me? Bro, I hate this game. I need to just walk across a fight. There's a fight somebody. Don't know where. Fuck. I don't have money. Watch for pegging. I'm gonna beat somebody up. Get Slime's toothbrush shiv from Officer Ralph. Not gonna do that. Okay, sorry, Ace. You're up, buddy. Okay. Got another fork. Try again. Where is he? Get out. Fuck off. No, I'm just gonna loot shit. Just in theory. Fuck. There you go. We got money, baby. Let's give it to pegging. Why close this? Nice. Oh, okay. Mug, chocolate light. Selling shit. I'm glad me and Ace are on good terms. Hold on, I'm gonna steal shit. Did you just say I'll clip you? Me and Nightbot have beef? Okay, so I have a poster. I have a poster, I just need something else. Wait, hold